Good morning, sixth graders. Next lesson for math. So we're looking at a two-lesson group. So lessons 19 and 20 look at comparison shopping, so unit price, and then related measurement conversions. So first we're going to start by creating tables from equations. So let's read about our little example here. So the ratio of cups of blue paint to cups of red paint is 1 to 2, which means for every cup of blue paint, there are 2 cups of red paint. In this case, the equation would be red equals 2 times blue, or R equals 2 times B, where B represents the amount of blue paint and R represents the amount of red paint. So make a table. So first, what do we know? Well, we know that 1 cup of blue paint means there are 2 cups of red paint. So then we want to find out how much red paint there is for 2 cups of blue, 3 cups of blue, and 4 cups of blue. We can put it in this equation, so R equals 2 times B, and find out. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. Pretty simple. Okay, what about this one? Miss Sipple is a librarian who really enjoys reading. She can read 3/4 of a book in one day. This relationship can be represented by the equation books equals 3/4 times days, which can be written as B equals 3/4 times D, where B is the number of books and D is the number of days. So again, make a table. So what do we know? We know that 3/4 of a book gets read in one day. So we want to find out how many books she reads in 2 days, 3 days, and 4 days. We put them in the equation, and then we get our answers. So for 2 days, she reads 6/4 or 1.5 books. 3 days, 2 1/4 book, and 4 days, she reads 3 books. All right. So now what about unit prices? So we have Mallory. She's on a budget, and she wants to determine which cereal is a better buy. A 10-ounce box of cereal costs $2.79, and a 13-ounce box of the same cereal costs $3.99. So first, which box should she buy, and then what is the difference between the two unit prices? So to find the unit price, we need to know how much this cereal costs per ounce and how much this cereal costs per ounce. So the 10-ounce box is 28 cents an ounce, and the 13-ounce box is 31 cents an ounce. So the 10-ounce box is going to be the better buy. So what's the difference? There's a difference of 3 cents per ounce. Okay, so all we did was take 10 divided by 279. Excuse me, 279 divided by 10, and then 399 divided by 6. Okay, so you're going to work on this one on your own. So you want to help Mitch decide which soft drinks to buy. When you're ready, hit play to see the answers. So we need to find out how much each can in the 12-pack costs and how much each one in the 20-pack costs. So the 20-pack is the one he should buy because it's 27 cents a can, and the 12 is 33 cents a can. So again, what's the difference? The difference is 6 cents. Okay, so now they have this one, looking at a graph and comparing it to the chart. So Amelia wants to buy a new motorcycle. He wants to compare the gas efficiency for each motorcycle before he makes a purchase. So the two dealerships presented the data below. The table represents a sports motorcycle, and the graph represents a leisure motorcycle. So we're finding out how many miles can they go per gallon. So for the sports, which is the table, we take 287.5 divided by 5, and we got 57.5 miles per gallon. And then here it's hard to tell, but 110 is 2 gallons. We take 110 divided by 2, and we get 55. So which one is more gas efficient? That's the sports motorcycle. Okay? So these two work on your or this one work on your own. So you're comparing the two tables to see which student earns more money per mile that they walk. Okay? When you're ready, hit play to see the answer. So we have Elijah and Sean. We need to first find out how much they earn per mile. Then we find out that Sean earns 50 cents more per mile. Okay, so if you take 35 divided by 7, you get $5. Then 33 divided by 6 gives you $5.50. So 50 cents more per mile. Okay, your assignment is going to be working on the IXL skill 6-V.2, which is unit prices. Please let me know if you have any questions or didn't understand something in the lesson. Otherwise, have a great Tuesday.